Rivers have always been the lifelines of civilizations. They nurture our land, shape our culture, and sustain generations. In India, these mighty rivers connect millions of lives across vast landscapes. But today, climate change and pollution are disrupting this delicate balance, altering rainfall patterns and turning rivers from life givers into forces of destruction. Each year, floods devastate 7.5 million hectares of land, take 1,600 lives, and cause damages worth over 1,800 crore. Kanpur, situated along the Ganga, is one of many cities caught in this struggle. Its fertile plains are both a blessing and a curse. The Ganga overflows in every monsoon, washing away homes, crops, and the dreams of countless families.
आज में मरना तो है नहीं, तो उनका स्कूल हम बंद करा देते हैं। बच्चे सबके प्यारे होते हैं, कौन भेजेगा पानी?
हुआ था तो हम लोगों के गेहूं में खेत में पानी भर गया पूरा बराबर से। इसके बाद नदी के किनारे पानी जल्दी सोखता नहीं है, मिट्टी जो है वहाँ पर पानी भराव लेता है, तो गेहूं बाली में ही अंकुरित हो जाता है, तो वो ना कोई खरीदता है ना खाने लायक बचता है। तो हम लोगों को यही होता है कि जानवरों को पिसा करके अपना निकाल देते हैं। अब हम लोगों को खाने की समस्या आ गई।
Each flood wipes out fragile livelihoods and pushes families back years, economically, emotionally, and socially. But where there's data, there's hope. At NTT DATA, we believe technology can build resilience and inspire action. In partnership with IIT Kanpur and its SIIC incubated startup, Terraqua UAV Solutions, we are developing a data-driven flood management model powered by innovation and compassion.
This project, which has been funded by NTT DATA, has two dimensions. One, that we wanted to understand the historical scale patterns of flood inundation in and around the Kanpur region. And second, how do we simulate these flood inundation pattern using high-resolution data acquired from drones. So, in the end, what we have done that we have, after analyzing all the data set, we have created a web GIS-based platform where you can actually simulate the flood and also visualize the flood inundation patterns. So, for this, we have used the high-resolution digital elevation models, and we have set up different queries by which you can analyze the inundation pattern, the population affected, the infrastructure being affected for a particular level of flood inundation, and so on. We hope that this kind of simulation and this kind of visualization models will ultimately help the city authorities like KDA and municipal corporation to plan the mitigation measures for the flood out of the Ganga in the Kanpur region.
With this model, rescue operations can be faster and more targeted, helping authorities make informed, life-saving decisions.
At NTT DATA, we're deeply committed to using technology for social good. Through this collaboration, we've mapped over 3,000 hectares of flood-prone land across 24 villages, indirectly protecting more than 18,000 people through risk assessment and spatial analysis. This initiative is more than a project, it's a promise that every flood-affected community can be better prepared and stand stronger in face of adversity. This is a highly scalable model that can be replicated across other flood-prone regions of India and around the world, transforming how communities respond to natural disasters. Together, we are creating smarter, safer, and more resilient cities for generations to come.